This is a big question, and a lot of people are concerned about this issue. And that is, can other LinkedIn members see when you looked at their LinkedIn profile? The answer is absolutely 100% yes if these conditions are met. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So here I'm on my LinkedIn profile. I'm going to go to Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, I'm going to go to Visibility. And under Visibility on the very top, Profile Viewing Options right here. If your profile viewing options are set to show your name and headline when you view someone's profile, they'll see your name and headline. If your profile viewing is set to private profile characteristics, then they may see someone at this company, someone in the industry, or someone that went to the school that's associated with your LinkedIn profile. On the other hand, if you're in total private mode, they won't see your name. They won't see anything about you. What they will see is LinkedIn member looked at your profile. So this is called hiding. And by the way, if you're hiding and you're using private profile characteristics or private mode and you're not paying for LinkedIn Premium, Recruiter, or Sales Navigator, then if you're hiding, you won't see who looked at your profile. So don't hide if you want to see who looked at your profile. Now let me go back to LinkedIn. Now I asked 3 people to look at my profile a little while ago, right here. 1,728 people looked at my profile. And if I scroll down, here they are right here. Rebecca, Reva, and Megan are the 3 that about 10 minutes ago, that's about right, 9 minutes ago, I asked them to look at my LinkedIn profile. And lo and behold, I can see their name under who viewed my profile because they're not hiding. So I can see that they looked at my profile. Now I also went and looked at their profile. Let me show you what they see. Here's Reva, and you can see that about 5 minutes ago, I looked at her profile. So she knows that I looked at her profile. And by the way, because she's using LinkedIn free, she's not paying for it, she can only see up to the last 5 people. And you can see that 2 of these people are hiding behind an industry. And so I can't see who they are. Now let's look and see what Megan saw. Now, this is Megan's screen that I'm sharing with you. And you can see that about 6 minutes ago, I looked at her profile because I'm not hiding. She can see that I did that. And by the way, you can see that 2 other people are not hiding, but 2, one's a social worker at Nebraska Department of Corrections, and the other one is at the University of California. There's no idea who those folks are because they're hiding behind a company, and this one's hiding behind a school. So the bottom line, can they see if you looked at their LinkedIn profile? The answer is yes, unless you're hiding. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator dude. I hope this is helpful for you.